Russell George.
Llywydd. Cabinet Secretary, of course, residents in Mid and North Wales pay the highest standing charges of anywhere else across the UK. So that in itself is unfair. But of course, it's unfair, because very often people perhaps use very little electricity or no electricity at all and still have to pay that standing charge. Now, Ofgem have been running a consultation, of course, on the introduction of a zero standing charge price energy cap variant. The closing date for this consultation is tomorrow. And I'd suggest that we do need to end this unfairness in the postcode lottery and ensure that people in my constituency in North Wales are not paying well above the price of other people in other parts of the country when it comes to a standing charge. So can you set out what the Welsh Government's response was or is to that consultation, which is ending tomorrow, and perhaps any other conversations you've had with Ofgem and the UK Government regarding this issue?
So it's been the Cabinet Secretary for Social Justice who has been leading particularly on this issue, and I know that she'd be happy to update Russell George on the discussions that she's been having. I know this has been an issue which has been debated a great deal in the Senedd. It's something that I know Jack Sargent was leading on. We've had debates which have been sponsored by him in the Chamber as well. So it is a long-standing issue that colleagues across the Senedd have been concerned about. So I am pleased that Ofgem is looking at this. But as I say, Jane Hutt is leading on this, but I know that she'd be more than happy to provide you with an update.